Hey, I really like this puppy. Reason being, I was a screw machinist by trade, and I'm always working with files. I always think, man, I'll make a knife out of one of them. I'll make a knife out of a file. Never did. But I got this. Yeah, it's definitely a tool. About 210 thou thick. But it's a beast. Yeah. Now you're not going to get a fine paring knife edge on that because it's kind of thick. But it's a good rib sticker. Oh yeah. I thought it was pretty cool. I give it a home. Bright edge. Alrighty. There you have it.